Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 7.3-liter gas engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, your backup camera with a Bedliner. We got a tailgate step as well, and a nice bed camera with side bed steps. We got gripped running boards on each side, mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection, turn light indicated as well with spotlights, and side view camera. Moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, license plate back and front view camera, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system. We got a vinyl floor interior with floor mats, not carpeted interior, cup holders, two USB-Cs, rear vents, 12 volt, 120. We got a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, power folding mirrors, the B&O sound system's also up front, spotlights, tailgate, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 83,775 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, got our toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status and phone, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To remember, we got tons of storage, outlets, more cup holders if need be. You got your center console as well with more storage with a little light down there too. We got a drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, engine start stop. We also do get our climate controls with heated front seats, 12 volt, 120, above storage, below, on the dash with 6 upfitter switches you can set up however you please, a nice powered rear window opener. And looking here, we have our backup camera, or our 360 view of the camera, hazards and traction, media controls. And looking at our audio here, we do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls, navigation. All your apps will be found in here, such as your messaging, email, vehicle settings, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And looking at our settings here, navigation, 911 assist, software updates, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC12603A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.